Hey, what's up, Siacoin Alert? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Siacoin. So, what's going on this time in Siacoin, my friends? This is the urgent alert news of Siacoin, special for Siacoin holders. Keep watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, so please, I request everyone this time to please subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So this time price of the Siacoin this time in the market is 0.019247 USD dollar. Now you can see here, my friends, that is the currently price of the Siacoin. On the other side, if we talk about the price change occurring in the Siacoin, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole chain is going at this time in the Siacoin is going positive, and I'm feeling very satisfied to see this kind of positive change occurring in the Siacoin, my friends. How do you feel today about Siacoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Please, I request everyone, because I will update you every time from a new cryptocurrency news, my friends. So now, my friends, my prediction for all Siacoin holders at this time is that please, my friends, please, I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. This is the urgent alert news, my friends. Don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell. If you sell, so you are in the loss, because you can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Siacoin. The last 1 month price changes of Siacoin is negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss, my friends. You are in the loss. The continuously jumps down occurring in the previous time, so if you decide to sell at this time, you are in the loss. And if you hold, my friends, there's a lot of chances in the future to they take a jump and they will give you good amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Siacoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.